Hi everyone, welcome to Military One Chanel, which always presents interesting videos about fighter jets and airplanes. Russia's approach to the development of a sixth-generation fighter is similar to that chosen by the US for its next-generation air dominance NGAD fighter, which is also intended to be a system of systems that will include unmanned drones, manned jets, and a new generation of network technology. Russia's sixth-generation aircraft will be based on the Su-57 Felon fighter and feature network-centric systems linked to drone, space, and ground systems, according to Russia's state-owned news agency TASS. Meanwhile, not only will US F-22s be used to test NGAD technology, but Raptors will also adopt technology developed under the NGAD program, presumably to accelerate this capability to the forefront long before the NGAD platform can deploy it so they can deploy it. Customized and risk-free. Russia is also taking steps to expand production of fifth-generation fighter aircraft, with a new facility opening at the Komsomolsk-on-Amur Aviation Plant, KNAAZ, in the Russian Far East in August, utilizing the next-generation Izdalai-30 engine, which will reportedly provide another 2 tons of thrust and is expected to be incorporated into the Su-57 before 2025.